Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to adjust font size in Google Pixel 7a. So it is very simple, and you can simply set which is your right font on your based on your eyesight. So simply swipe up, not like this. Simply swipe up for the menu. Okay, just swipe up for the menu and simply open your settings application. After that, open display and touch. You can see here display and touch. Just swipe up the screen for display size and text. Open that display size and text. Okay, then you can see the screen text matters areas. You can simply swipe right side or left side. Then you can simply see which area is affected, and you can see also some samples. So simply drag this font size slider for just inside, and you can see how much different is happening in different areas. So you can simply set any site which is correct for your eyesight, and whenever you are adjusting this one in only Google Pixel 7a, only in Google Pixel phones, the notification areas text also increasing. You can see that whenever we do that, the time also become bigger, and in other mobiles there is no that kind of functions. Whenever you adjust your phones, notification area will be remain the same. So that's the difference between Google phones and other phones. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.